In this lesson, I will explain to you about lists, how we will use lists in our Python course. So the simple definition I have written here, a simple list contains comma separated objects. This is the first condition of the list, and second is it should be enclosed in a square bracket. So just like take the example empty underscore list. This is the square bracket. This is the second example. This is our variable name square bracket, and all the integers are separated by comma. So this is the definition of list. All the numbers, all the string, all the variables, whatever you are going to write down in the square bracket, it should separate from comma. And another important feature of the list is that it is not necessary that you can write down only one type at a time in the square bracket. Just like here I have written integers. No, if you want, you can write down float data type, string data type, integer data type, some variables, some literals. So it's mix and match. That is why my variable name is mixed underscore list. So I will show you with the help of example, then it will be more clear to you. First is this empty underscore list. See, this is the list because I have used a square bracket here, but there is nothing. When I will run this, you will see only the square bracket in the output. This is the second example here, brand underscore names, which is initialized by square bracket, all the brand names, because these are strings. So string you have to write down in quotation, and all brands names are separated by comma and enclosed in the square bracket. It means this is the string. Now how I want to get the output of this? So print brand names. This is my literal, or you can say just like a heading, and then type. We had discussed type function in our last course. Type means data type, what type of data we have, a string, integer. So brand underscore names, here we are going to find out what is the type of this, right? Take a moment and think what should be the type. If I will run it, the type is list, not the string, list, because I have put these square brackets and all these are separated by commas. So when I will run it, you will see brand names and class is list, and the second print function brand names, all brand names are here. One more example. Here, instead of a string, I have used integers data type. And you know, when we use integer or the float data type, there is no need to put quotation. If I will write down 100 in quotation, then it will consider as a string. So test underscore numbers is equal to a square bracket, and all numbers are here. Same thing. This is my literal. We want to know the type, so type will be list. When I will run it, you will see test number, class is list, and all the numbers are here. One more time, here I have written float, right? To only to show you that we can write down in list whatever you want. So same thing here, these are the float we do not want to write down in quotation. When I will run it, you will see that list is, class is list, and all the numbers, float numbers are here. And this is one of the most important example of this lesson, because as I have mentioned that it is not necessary that at a time you can write down only integer or string. You can write down mix and match things. So mixed underscore list, this is my integer, this is my float, this is my string, and these test underscore numbers, decimal underscore numbers, these are my variables which I had made here, test underscore numbers and decimal. See, test underscore numbers, you will see this output. For decimal underscore numbers, you will see this output. When I will run it, then I will explain to you according to our output. So see, from 134 chair cat, these are okay, right? Test underscore numbers, this is another list, that is why you will see this list here. Decimal underscore numbers is starting from the square bracket and end here, and the first square bracket and last square bracket indicates the list. I hope the concept is clear. Now you have to practice it. Write down whatever you want here, or mixed and match number, and find out the type. Practice it. When you will involve, then you will learn more. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.